Hello friends, in my previous video for Appium, I have shown that how you can interact with the WhatsApp. Okay, so first I will tell you that there are two types of app which are installed in your mobile. One are the apps like WhatsApp, Book My Show, Flipkart, banks apps, any apps which are the third party apps. Okay, these apps are installed from the internet or the third party. Okay, this is the one. And the another type of apps we can say which are installed, which are pre-installed in your mobile. Okay, if I say okay, just put on the camera. Okay, so the my messaging app, my calling app. Okay, these type of app settings, these apps are pre-configured in your mobile by your manufacturer. Okay, so if you want to interact with these type of apps, suppose you want to automate that how to make a call through Appium, then how will you do that? We won't get the APK file for it. Okay, so that we can use Astro file manager and copy to our system and we can use it. No, you won't get it. Then how we can do it? So Appium provides a capability. I will just first open the Appium. Okay, it's in my Appium. Yeah. So Appium provides, it's one of the capabilities that you can find any app that is uh, using the APK. Okay, it will automatically get, I will just first let Appium opens, it takes time, it will be more clear. Okay, so you can give either the APK, it automatically will detect its app. Yeah, it's open, you see here. Yeah, you can give the APK path, so it will automatically calculate. APK works with this, that is the package ID and the activity ID, so it will automatically calculate it from the APK you have given. In previous Appium versions you have to manually give both of these. Now they have made the Appium starter and automatically calculates it. Okay, so for native app you don't have this app. Okay, but if you know this package ID and this activity ID, you can give this and you will communicate with your native apps which are installed pre-configured by the manufacturer. Okay, so now let's start with it. Okay, and I will make a program of calling a number from my mobile. And okay, so in the first step I will just open my Eclipse. I will make a new project, that is Appium. Okay, I will make a new class that is calling number. Okay, I will test and I will like public void call. Okay, include this my test-ng library, include my test-ng. Okay, I have this is Luna. Okay, and I have all the prerequisites to run the Appium on my system. So make sure that you have pre-configured it. If you have not, then go through the videos of mine videos you will find in the channel for install Appium 1 and install Appium 2. Okay, just visit my channel, then move to this video. Okay, now I will also include my jar files. Okay, the first in jar files I will include will be for the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, the next jar files will be, yeah, for the JSON that is interacting through the UI or mobile, and the Java client for the Appium. Okay, click on OK. Yes, they will come under reference library. Yes, they are. Okay, now I will set the Appium capabilities for Yep, if you're learning APM and watching my videos, make sure that if you don't have the knowledge of APM much, then first go to the install videos and setting capabilities. Okay, so you had a good picture. So first I will write here. mm, First I will make an object of Android driver dr. Okay, now we can I will be making an object of desired capabilities is equals to new desired capabilities, and I will set the capabilities. These capabilities are required so that APM can detect your mobile. Okay, I will write capability dot set capability. Okay, first I will write my uh, device name. My device name is Moto G. You can find all these details by going in your mobile settings. Okay, I will write copy it 3 times. Uh, Platform version for mine it's 5.0.2. Then it's platform name. The platform name definitely is Android. Okay, so I won't be giving the APK. I will be just giving my app name, package name, and app activity name. Okay, so first, how will be my app package, and the another will be my app activity ID. So how to calculate the app package and activity ID? There is a small trick. On net you will be finding a long blogs and something, but it's I have done there is lot of research and find this shortcut. It will be very helpful for you. Okay, if I want to make the calling, just open this call. By open this call, this calling app, make sure it is the currently focused app in your mobile. Just this much work you have to do to get this. Okay, open command prompt, write ADB devices. Yes, my mobile is connected. Then open the Android shell, that is ADB shell. Okay, it is open. Now just type this command. Okay, it will give some details. Copy it. Sorry. Yeah, copy it and paste it here. Okay, under M focused current focus, the first one will be your package ID. Okay, go and give it here. Okay, and another will be your activity name. So simple. Actually I don't know this app, any app developer, so I was struggling how to get this, and I surfed the net and lot, and I found many solutions. Open Eclipse, type this command, and blah blah blah. After lot of this, when I found this solution and got the app package and app activity, I was just that it's so short and people are just struggling to get it. That how to get these. Okay. Now I will set the capability, that is I have to tell my APM. Okay, now the APM needs to know my computer details as well, so that it know that where Eclipse is there. Sorry, this is not the capability, sorry. So I have to make then an object of Android driver. Okay, so I will write driver is equals to new Android driver. Will use this. I will end the URL new URL string. Okay, in this I will write HTTP. Oops, that is my URL. Okay, so I will type here ipconfig. Oops, I have to move out my shell. I will close this again. CMD. Okay, and I will write ipconfig. I will get my IP, that is 192. Okay, 192.168.1.3, and the port number. But the port number default the Appium listen is on 4723. Okay, and I will write wd.hub. Okay, I will just okay, and I will pass my capability to it. Okay, and we need to throw the exception here. Okay, we are set to go. I will check my Appium. I will make sure that everything is unchecked, because I will be using my capabilities. I will giving the capabilities through Eclipse, and I will make a no reset, so that anytime it does not reset my application. Okay, and also check yes, they are. So first I will check that okay, that's good. So I will just start my Appium. Yes, it has started. It is in debug mode. Now I will also start it. Run as a test ng, and I will open the camera, then see what it does. Okay. The Appium is not responding. Okay, we have received an error. Let's check it. Form, that is hub. Oh, it's not HUD when it's hub. Yeah, I think it's good to know. Run run as test ng. No, it's again failed. Why it's failing? Let me check here. Yes, I've checked. Actually, the mistake was that I have to include this HTTP also. Normally, we don't type this again and again. We just copied, pasted it, because so this I forgot to write here. Okay, so now I just right click it and run as test ng. I will open my camera as well, so it should launch the contact application. Yes, it has launched. Okay, you see, so this is working perfectly fine. Okay, now I will take the, or I will be using, I will be using UI Automator. Okay, there are two methods to find the elements on the Android mobile. One is that launch the Appium. This is the inspector. Click on it and refresh it. Okay, I've just stopped it, and I will run it, and I will okay, for this, just leave it, because we won't be using this, because it's not good. The Appium, the inspector which is given by Appium for Android is not good. It has many issues. So we won't be using this, okay, because to use this first that you have to launch this app from these capabilities. So I'm not telling you also this because there is no need, okay, for this, and it's not a good UI inspector. So what I will do is I will go to Android. Under SDK you will find here platform tools. Go under it, not platform tools, sorry, tools, okay. uh, and you will find something at UI Automator Viewer, okay. Double click on it and it will open. And it is opened, okay. Now what you have to do, you have to just click on this device screenshot, so it will take the screenshot. Opening in progress. Currently it is not. Yeah, now I will take a screenshot. Yes, so it has taken the screenshot. This is something funny, etc. Really bit. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to dial a number. I want to click on this. Okay, so the best part of this actually UI Automator is that now this is, you have taken the screenshot, so you have permanent hierarchy of elements here. So if you close your mobile or something, it will be there. But with the Appium UI inspector, it needs to be refreshed again and again. Okay, so I will click on this, and luckily we have a resource ID here, so I will be using this to click on it. First I need to click on this. I will copy this, okay, and yes, so I will write driver dot find element by ID, okay, and this is the ID, and what I will do, I will click on it. Okay, let's see if this is working. My Appium is running. I will just start my Appium. I will run as, open the camera feed as well. Yes, it has launched and it has clicked. You see, it has clicked. So now I want to dial a number. Okay, I will also take now a screenshot of this one. I will go to my UI Automator and I click on this device screenshot. It's not first I need to close this, okay. Now because it is blocked by Appium, so for taking the screenshot this Appium should be stopped. Only one thing can work. They are both the U viewers. If this is working, this won't be. So for taking the screenshot, this should be stopped. Okay. So after this, my main necessity is that I want to dial a number. Okay. You will see if I want to dial 111, that is the customer care number. Okay, so let's find the something for this. You won't have, okay, yes, you have an ID for this. If I click on this, yes, you have an ID for this. You see that all the IDs are same. It's just 1 and 2 which is coming after it. Okay, so I want to click on this element, so I will copy this ID, go to my Eclipse, okay, and now I have to dial a number. So I will write dr dot driver dot find element. We are luckily that we are finding the resource ID in Appium. You will see that here it is resource ID. It just means the ID only. Okay, you don't have to give the resource ID. You have to use the ID. Okay. So I will write by ID. Okay, my ID, and I need to click on it. and if I want to click on this element 3 times so that my number 111, that is for the customer care number, is given, I will give it 3 times. Okay, and I will save it. I will start my Appium. Okay, now I will run as my test ng and let's see if it's working. It has opened, it has clicked on calling number. Yes, yes, you have seen, it has clicked 3 times. It is here. Okay, now we have to click on this green button so that we can make a call. Okay, so I will stop my Appium. Sorry guys. And I will go to UI Automator and I will take the screenshot. And friends, I will suggest you to always take screenshot by this. Okay, because sometimes there are some screens which don't get by this, so it's better if you take by this. Okay, because sometimes you take screenshot by this, you won't be getting the element, so it's better you use this screenshot. So now we have to get ID for this. Yes, I will copy the ID of it, going to my Appium, and I will write here dialing a number. I will write driver dot find element, sorry, by ID. Okay, and I will click it. Okay, so it should work. It hope so that it will click on the element, a call will be gone, a call will be take place. So I will have to first start my Appium as well. It is started. Now I will right click and run as my test ng project. I will open my camera feed. So it has launched the calling. Clicked on it will click on this. Yes, it will type 3 times here. 1 2 3, it has done, and I should call. Yes, it has. Yes, it has called. Okay, it has called that number. Now suppose after calling that I want to also cancel the dialing. Okay, so you can do this, that's not an issue. So this is how you can do various functions now with this. Okay, so this is a simple program that how to call the mobile number. Once you able to perform these steps, then I can say you are an expert, that you are you can automate many apps in your mobile. Okay, these in my previous video I have shown that how to automate WhatsApp, in which we have the APKs. I want to teach here that you can also work with the natives app which is installed on a mobile. Okay, thank you guys. Also you can subscribe to my channel. I will be updating new videos for the Appium and WebDriver, and it will be just motivate me to go on adding new videos if I know that the persons are watching it. Okay, thank you guys.